Welcome back, Leo Lions. This is Mrs. Morgan with another lesson over finding sample space of a compound event and then finding different probabilities from that event. So here is our example about ice cream. We get to go in and choose one topping. You get to choose a topping and then what color of sprinkles you want. And we're trying to figure out how many different sundaes can you make when you order this. So there are 3 events that are happening here. You first walk up and you have to choose your ice cream flavor. So when we create this tree diagram to show all possible outcomes, we want to start here. And we always want to start listing out with what are our possible outcomes. Now over here, we have a key because some of these are going to be very similar. So if we use C for chocolate ice cream, well then down here we need to show chocolate sprinkles as a different way. So you want to come up with some sort of key to know that what do these abbreviations stand for. So chocolate, maybe we'll put chocolate ice cream. That looks a little confusing. Maybe chocolate ice cream. There we go. Then the next one, let's do vanilla. And we'll do ice cream. We'll do strawberry ice cream. So there are our 3 choices of ice cream. So over here, I'm going to start my tree diagram by listing those out with those abbreviations. So chocolate ice cream. Or we could choose vanilla ice cream. And then lastly, strawberry ice cream. So there's the start of our tree diagram. There's our 3 options of ice cream. Next event then, after you choose your ice cream, well now we get to choose a topping. So we can choose fudge or marshmallow. Now in this scenario, there are no others that start with an F or an M, so I'm just going to use fudge, F, and marshmallow, M. So let's say we choose chocolate ice cream. Well then we get to choose our topping. So, oops, I'm just going to do branches, no arrows. So then we could choose fudge or marshmallow. Same thing with vanilla ice cream. We could choose fudge or marshmallow. And then same thing with our strawberry ice cream as well, fudge or marshmallow. Now, after that, we also get to choose our sprinkles. So there's a 3rd event in this one. So in our tree diagram, there's actually going to be another set of branches. So let's again identify our abbreviations. So here we'll start out maybe the same way as we did with our chocolate ice cream. So chocolate, let's just say sprinkles. And then we'll say rainbow sprinkles. So over in our tree diagram then, so these little branches show us, well, we could have chocolate ice cream with a fudge topping, and then we can choose whether we want chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles. Then same thing here, we could choose chocolate ice cream with marshmallow topping, and then on top of the marshmallow topping, we could have chocolate sprinkles or rainbow sprinkles. Okay, same thing with a vanilla ice cream, so it's just going to repeat over and over. So we could have vanilla ice cream, fudge, chocolate sprinkles, or we could have vanilla ice cream, fudge, and rainbow sprinkles. We could have vanilla ice cream, marshmallow, chocolate sprinkles, or rainbow sprinkles. So off of all of those last branches, we're making 2 more branches for the 3rd choice here. So then when we are done, we have every possible option listed here. When it says over here sample space, well, we're actually going to list them out. So follow the branches on the tree here. So we could have chocolate ice cream. We could have fudge. And we could have chocolate sprinkles. We could have chocolate ice cream. We could have marshmallow. Oops, let's do fudge again. I'm going to stay consistent. What I'm doing here is following, and I'm going to delete these, so don't write this down. I'm following the tree. So chocolate ice cream, fudge, chocolate sprinkles. Chocolate ice cream, fudge, rainbow sprinkles. chocolate ice cream, marshmallow, chocolate sprinkles. So I'm just following these branches over and over to list out every single possible outcome. So chocolate ice cream, fudge, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate ice cream, fudge, rainbow sprinkles, and so on and so on. And you're going to find out chocolate ice cream, then marshmallow, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate ice cream, marshmallow, rainbow sprinkles. So there I got all of the options. That was for chocolate ice cream. So I want you to continue this. I'm not going to do all of this with you and do then the vanilla ice cream and all of their choices. There'll be 4 more. And then you're also going to do the same thing with your strawberry ice cream, fudge, chocolate sprinkles, so on. List out every possible outcome. So there'll be 4 chocolate options, 4 vanilla options, and 4 strawberry ice cream options. Okay? Also, another way to determine this, that is sample space. Sample space shows every possible outcome. But maybe we didn't have to show sample space, and we just wanted to know how many possible outcomes are there. Well, you look at each event. There are 3 choices of ice cream. There are 2 choices for topping and 2 choices for sprinkles. If we multiply all those numbers together, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2, we know there are 12 possible outcomes. Okay? Over here, I already showed you with the sample space. Once you have them all listed out, well, 4, 4, and 4, there's going to be 12 possible outcomes. Okay? Once you get the sample space all written out, well, then you want to figure out the capital P, remember, means probability. So what's the probability of choosing chocolate ice cream? Well, we would go through and think about what are our favorable outcomes. Well, this has chocolate ice cream, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. And then all the rest will be vanilla and strawberry. So favorable would be 4 out of 12 possible outcomes, which simplifies to 1/3. And you're going to keep doing that. What's the probability of getting fudge? So you're going to go through and find out from the sample space which one of them has fudge, and that'll be out of 12. What's the probability then? Here we get to compound, so chocolate ice cream and fudge. So if we came up here, we want to make sure it is chocolate ice cream and fudge. So there's 1, 2. The other 2 options have marshmallow on them. So that would be 2 favorable outcomes out of 12 total, which simplifies to 1 out of 6. Okay? So I want you to try those on your own. And down here then, a simple event is an example where we were just finding the probability of one thing, just the chocolate ice cream. Complementary then is when we're finding more than one thing, chocolate ice cream and fudge. Down on G, we get chocolate ice cream, fudge, and rainbow. So go through, see if you can finish those and find the probabilities of those remaining events and finish that sample space on your own.